Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Now, warning, there's going to be drinking, smoking, and swearing on here. If you don't like those things, leave now, because here I come in 3 seconds. In 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, everybody. My name's Shamari. We have a great show for you today, and welcome. Bang! All right, brothers. Yes, brothers. We got a good one today. So, we're going to start off with, Tron. So this story, the reason I bring this one up, we're going to Asia. Hold on, we'll talk about that in a second. Luck, the money, brothers. Holy, here comes your money. First we're going to go check out Tron is about to get introduced to institutional investors. Not introduced, but institutional investors are about to be able to be exposed to Tron. And though I want to show you about insurance. Remember I showed you how insurance is so important. Yeah, well, if I'm a $5 billion hedge fund, and then I'm custodied with you or something, and then you get hacked, and my $5 billion worth of assets go missing, well, I got to be able to get them back, right? So you have to have insurance on that. So we're going to talk about that, and that's amazing. That makes the whales safer, feel safer. Now, this is the unbelievable one right here. Holy. China. Yes, brothers. You heard me. You heard me correct. China. I told you how they were All right. We'll get there when we get there. China promoting crypto. And we're going to get to that for the second story. And then look. Crypto futures take over Asia. What kind of futures, brother? Why am I excited, brothers? What kind of futures are taking over Asia? Oh, shit. Physically settled. Bang. Futures are coming to Asia. And look. That's perfect timing because these Asian whales just came. Came online. Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia. Bang. Well, here you go, brothers. You guys want some futures? We got some physically backed futures for your asses. Leveraged. Yes, brothers. Leveraged. Look. So let's start out how we start out here, brothers. We're going to have a good night tonight. We go with a little bit of bang. And then we go bang. Yes. And then we do a little bit of refresh. What are we dealing with? You see, we're still at 3,009. So for Bitcoin price, 3,967 right there. So you see, that's the new resistance level. Resistance seems to be 4,000. I'd like us to break the $4,000 resistance level. Let that be support. Consolidate around there. And like I said yesterday, go to the 4,500 level and let that be support. All right. Support and resistance. Google that shit, guys. All right. Look, top 10 of the day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, EOS, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, Stellar, Tron. Bang. Binance Coin. All right. Let's look at what did anything today. He doesn't look like much. Single digits up and single digits down. Single digits up. Well, mostly single digits down. So let's go. Single digits down to single digits up. 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 All right. Let's see if anyone made money today. My bad. Sorry. Let's see if anything's on sale today. First. Bang. Not much. All right. Top 10 losers of the day. Repo, Komodo, Crypto.com, Populous, Chainlink, Tomo Chain, Factom, Inside Chain, Basic Attention, and Project Pay. Bang. Let's see who made money today. Bang. Ooh, there we go. 30. Ooh, look at VeChain up there. Oh, yes, my hodling. Look. Top 10 earners of the day. QHash, or Cash, whatever you want to call it. VeChain, Aurora, Status, Ontology, Binance Coin, Waves, Quant, Verge, and Omisgo. Bang, yes. Let's see what our total volumes are of the day. So, market cap. All right, so we're kind of hovering around where we were yesterday, and the volumes of the day are a little lower than yesterday. a little lower yesterday, but not much. And this is something I wanted to say. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. I cheated and I came here earlier today and I looked at the volumes. To tell you the truth, when I do this part of the show, I haven't even looked at it yet. And so when you see my reaction, it's real. But actually, I did look at today's, and we're at 24 billion right now, 24.5 billion on the volume, and what were we at 30 yesterday? So, but remember this, we were at 30 yesterday. Yeah. This is the weekend. So on the weekends, traders always close trades. If you're a professional trader, you close your trades. I'm a Forex trader. My trades aren't open on the weekends. It doesn't work like well, I could leave them open, but nobody does that. Professionals don't do that. So it's expected that on the weekends, you're going to see a dramatic decrease in volume. Actually, in the Forex market, you guys know I'm a Forex trader, 19-year Forex trader. My money makes me money. I don't actually have a 9-to-5 job. I trade professionally. That's how I make my money, right? And so you'll notice, though, I can trade on the weekend if I want, but bang, 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 prices go crazy because no one's there, and so there's no liquidity. So dudes can come around and they just start muscling around. And so if you're a trader, or if you're not, I'm just going to tell you. So there's a thing called gapping. So if you're a trader, you know what I mean. After the weekend, what do? You get the gap down, the gap up, right? Yeah, the gap down, the gap up is from all those guys going crazy. So a gap is the price on Friday ends here, and say, the market comes online on Monday. So here it is. It ends here on Monday. Bang! It opens here. That's called a gap. You see, there's a gap in the price. It's called gapping. So you get gap down, gaps up, right? And so what I'm trying to tell you is expect in this market, as the professionals arrive, we're going to start seeing gapping down, gapping up, and levels of volume shrink on the weekends. That's how professional traders do it. We close out our trades, and then we go back to battle on Monday. We don't just leave that shit open on the weekends. All right? All right. So there you go. A little lesson for you guys. Bang. All right. Bang, Tron hodlers. Yes, Tron hodlers. Yes. BitGo bringing Tron to institutional. Bang. That's what we care about around these parts. Institutional. Let me even touch this. Let me even touch it. Bang. Yes. Institutional investors. And so it's a two-part story, actually. And then it offers Bitcoin and crypto insurance protection to expand reach. And that's what, we know, wait a minute, what happened here? We know that, you have to have insurance, right? And so, yeah, if the thing I'm investing my client's money in gets hacked, well, I got to get my client's money back. What do you expect me to pay for it? Nah, that guy's got to pay for it. He's got to have insurance, and that'll make me feel safe. When I see that he has insurance, I'll feel safe, and then I will invest in his venture. All right, brothers. Look, Tron hodlers. Bang. Yes. BitGo announced wallet and custody support for Tron, TRX. The Palo Alto-based crypto financial services firm offers multi-signature and key security services, compliance, and custodial solutions for institutional investors. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. So what that means is, what does that mean, Shmari? So what that means is, if you're an institutional investor now you have a place to safely store your Tron. If you're new, whatever, you got to have custodianship, right? There's a thing called custodianship. If I'm a hedge fund, I'm not allowed to just keep my clients' Trons or whatever they are, whatever digital assets, on a Ledger Nano. You have to have it in what's called custodianship, a custodial service. They're regulated, they're certified, that's their job. All they do is hodl stuff for big boys that are doing stuff, right? You usually got to be a pretty big boy to get into custody, but you need it. So, you don't mind paying the price. And so now Tron bang, bang, are going to be able to be hodled in real custodian services. The company offers support for over 100 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. It will implement support for Tron later this year. So, good news for Tron holders. Says Ben Chain, chief technology officer at BitGo, institutional investors want a wallet provider and custodian who can support a full range of digital assets. So adding support for Tron later this year is an important step. BitGo is the only institutional digital asset company with a full product offering, from high-volume wallet platform to regulated custody services. Bang, high-volume wallet. Bang, bang, bang. Trades are going in and out every day. They got you. Custody, you're just going to hodl it. Got you. Institutional investors are responsible for other people's assets, and that requires the highest levels of security and regulatory compliance. Bang. BitGo will provide that for TRX Tron. All right. Now, institutional investors, you're going to get some Tron. Well, not that institutional investors will be watching this stupid show. What I mean to say is, if institutional investors start buying Tron, they now have a place to hodl it strong. You all know the power of custodianship. I've talked to you about custodianship, especially you boys that have been here from the beginning. I used to beat it down your throat, the importance. Look. Yeah, there it goes for Tron lovers. All right. Holding over $2 billion in crypto on behalf of its customers, BitGo is backed by Goldman Sachs, Galaxy Digital Ventures, Digital Currency Group, and several other venture capital funds. All right. As the crypto ecosystem expands and matures, investors and high net worth individuals expect the same guarantees and protections that custody providers offer for traditional assets. Exactly. Look, that's what we're talking about here, brothers. That's what we've been talking about all last year. That's what we've been waiting for. I mean, that is what we're still waiting for, but the big boys aren't coming until they get what they get with the NASDAQ, with the New York Stock Exchange, with their local bond broker. Yeah, assurances, compliance, regulations, like proper auditing, all of it. This Wild West crypto thing, not doing that. They're not doing that. And anyways, that's getting crushed. So that's going out the window. And so that's the beauty, is that we are now seeing compliance and regulation and, proper professionalization of this market, which gives, confidence to, institutional investors to bring their clients' money into this space and invest in this space safely, knowing that they're feeling safe with their clients' money in this space. Man, this is a beautiful thing, brothers. Fuck, this is a beautiful thing. This is it. This is it. Man, we're about to bang. Bang. We're about to fly. Your warehouse is about to explode, brothers. Oh my gosh. We have professionalization. Bang. We have regulations. Bang. We have custody services. Yes. Here come the high net worth individuals. Here come the institutional investors to get your goods. Yes, crypto farmer, they're coming to get those goods. Not ripe yet, but they're coming. Don't worry. When those goods ripen, don't worry about it. There will be many takers. Yes, you're going to have many takers for your warehouse, for your farm. Yes, you're going to have many takers. Don't worry about it. Let's hear those greedy sons of bitches come. Look. All right. Holy. Oh. Hold on. Let's start from the beginning of this chapter. As the crypto ecosystem expands and matures, Investors and high net worth individuals expect the same guarantees and protections that custody providers offer for traditional assets. Like we said, bang, professionalization. Insurance is especially critical. Exactly, and this is a key. Now I want you to learn this, brothers. Insurance, I know this is a boring topic, but it's so key. Insurance is especially critical for the crypto ecosystem, all markets, okay? So, first of all, which has suffered from a number of high-profile exchange hacks. Exactly. If I'm a $5 billion hedge fund, I'm not going to put my money somewhere where my shit's not insured, where my money is not insured. Now, I'm not going to lie. This insurance isn't the greatest. It's not like the Gemini one. The Gemini, it's limitless. You could have 100 billion with Gemini. Your stuff's going to be insured. And that's why when Gemini comes online and backed, holy, those are going to be good ones. So, no lie, this is just a little insurance. But, look, it's insurance, all right? So, most recently, Canadian exchange Quadriga, this is that Canadian exchange, has been unable to find the private keys to unlock roughly 145 million in the customer's crypto assets. So this story, Quadriga here, it's a Canadian exchange. And what happened was the CEO, he had all the private keys for all their accounts. Yeah, well, guess what? He fucking died. He fucking died, man. Yes, brothers. Really, dog? I know. Only Hollywood could think of such a thing. But it's true. The guy died, and so, people want their money, and everyone's like, we can't. The guy's dead. And so they're trying to find out if you put like a paper wallet in a safety deposit box, like they're opening up safety deposit boxes, they're looking in the safes, like everyone's looking all around, seeing, on his laptop everywhere, like, did he put... I feel so bad for those people. It's not funny, but they're looking all around to see, like, is the private key around somewhere, right? Anyway, that's just a funny story. I didn't report it because, whatever. I don't report that kind of shit. I'm here to help you make money. Reporting something like that doesn't help you make money. But since they brought it up in this story, fuck it, I might as well tell you about it. Yeah, the fucking CEO died with the private key or the knowledge of where it is, where he stored it and shit. Maybe he stored it on a ledger or something or whatever. Yeah, well, what's the password to get in there, fucker? That's not funny. But bang, it's funny. Come on, brothers. Let's have some fun. Saturday. Bang, look. So to address ongoing concerns in the industry and ensure investors that crypto is a safe... All right, let me calm down. To address ongoing concerns in the industry and ensure investors, institutional investors, that crypto is a safe long-term investment, BitGo announced today that $100 million of insurance to cover digital assets for online private keys that are held by BitGo. So, bang! Now, $100 million is not big for an institutional investor. You know what I mean? Like, we want the guys with billions and tens of billions in that. But it does bring in the smaller time hedge fund guys and, other players. All the money is good. We want all of it. We don't care where it comes from. I don't care. And I'm going to show you right now. Oh, Lee, I'm going to show you something right now. We don't care where these whales come from. Just bring us your money. And if you're on only $100 million, like, you know what I mean? If you're a whale, but I like the billion, the billions, but if you're a $100 million whale, all right, bring your money, man. That's all good. You see what I'm saying, brothers? We'll take it from wherever it comes. Look. Wherever it comes, man, all right? We're going to take that loot. And so, look, speaking of taking loot, bye! Look. Now I want to be serious about this one. This is too stupid. China's state TV just recommended the Cryptoassets book during its prime time. Now, I want to explain this story before we read it. So, China, right, CCTV. You guys heard of CCTV? If not, that's China's government's TV channel. You know that China is a communist party. government. They're a one-party government. In other words, what they say goes. It's not like where you live, probably, or where I live, where motherfuckers get to complain about shit and shit. Nah. It's not like that. When the Chinese government says this is what's going down, that's what goes down, motherfucker. You know what I mean? There's no one to argue about it. And if you do try to argue, probably get just thrown in jail. Yeah, it's as savage as it is. That's how it goes down. I don't make the rules. Look. But look. China's state TV just told its citizens, and this is what I want you to understand. When China's state TV talks, in other words, the citizens know that's what our leaders want us to do. That's how they live their lives. It's not like here or maybe in Europe, wherever you are, like, some politician talks, but you're like, yo, go fuck yourself. And then because you're with another politician who's doing some other thing, right? No. In China, there is no other. When the party says, this is what we're doing, you can't tell them to go fuck themselves or you get in trouble. You'll get in a lot of trouble. And so, but in that being said, what I mean is, also, it works the other way. When the Chinese government approves something, bang, you're approved. You know it's good to go. And I'm going to just tell you right now, China just basically told their people, and we're going to read it, told their people, read this book and get educated on, just like how I tell you guys to read the book, One World Ready or Not, to get educated about globalization so you actually understand what the fuck. Well, China just told their citizens, read this book, learn about cryptocurrencies, so you know what the fuck. Now, what does that mean, Shamari? What does that tell me? That tells me China is about to unleash their whales and regular citizens. Yep. Remember how last year China banned all crypto trading. They banned all, like, you're not allowed to buy anything with Bitcoin or anything like that in China. Like, that's a no-no. But remember how we were reading those articles where every month, China was coming out with their top 15 cryptos? And what did I tell you guys last year, right? I told you guys, what I think China's doing is that they're banning it. And it's kind of like the Indonesia thing we just read. Remember Indonesia? Yeah, they released their whales. But no. You're not allowed to buy or sell anything with it. No. You're allowed to invest in it. Go ahead, ETFs, futures, all that. But using it in our country? No. Rupiah, the Indonesian money, that's the money. I think that's what China is doing. And you know what? I think China is going a step further in that. You know how China keeps coming out? We did it. We had that here. China comes out with that list every month of working blockchains, and they grade them. They actually grade them in terms of, innovation and this and that, like whatever. Right? Remember that? And if you're new here, well, they do. And, go back in the videos and watch. Because we read them here. And so what I think China is about to do, they're telling their people to go read this book to learn about how to invest in cryptocurrency assets, and then they're going to allow exchanges to occur. They're going to allow their whales, they're going to unleash their whales. Holy brothers. And here it goes. Bang! They're going to unleash their whales. Remember, China, second largest economy on planet Earth, on this planet. They're going to unleash their whales, and what they're going to allow for regular citizens is the working products. That's why they have that flipped list every month. They have that list, and they're going to allow their exchanges to sell their citizens only those. They're going to control what their citizens can buy. Here, we can go to Binance. We could buy anything, right? Any shit coin, right? Some fucking waste of time bullshit, ICO white paper garbage coin, right? Yeah, America's like, go for it, man. It's your money. Do what you want, right? It's a free country. China's like, look. They're not going to allow their citizens to invest in any shit coins, because if they lose their money, Remember this, China's a one-party system. There's only one political party there. It's not like your country or my country. Well, this place only has two. But the rest of you, Europeans and that, you got a healthy amount, 4 or 5 and more. Yeah. So if anything goes wrong, like here in America, when something goes wrong, yeah, the Republicans blame the Democrats blame the Republicans. So nobody really knows what the fuck. I mean, unless they're smart. Yeah, well, in China, there's only one party. So if something goes wrong, well, you fuckers did it. You see what I'm saying? Like in China, there's only one communist party. So if some lady, if some lady gets ripped off for her money, well, she knows who to blame. You motherfuckers. And they don't want that. They don't want people to go crazy. And so that's why China is going to just allow them to trade and invest in working product. Remember I said that last year? Bang. Watch this. In a recent segment, all right, hold on. I talked a bunch, man. Wow. Right? That's how China's going to do it. Oh. And so, what are you so happy about then, Shamari? And so what I'm so happy about is this, brothers. China is a country of 1.6 billion people. 300 million of them are considered middle class. In other words, here in America, America is 300 million people. Yeah, but we have some rich people, and then we have poor people too, and we have middle class. So what I'm trying to say to you is that China has a whole America worth of middle class people. People who can keep up with their bills, save money. You know what I mean? Like, good. Their lives are all right. Meaning, they have what's called disposable income. Disposable income. And so look, when you have disposable income, what do? Well, if you're wise, you invest. Yeah, I don't need this 10 grand, so I invest. Right? Yeah, it just sits in your bank. Why not put it to work? Right? Put your money to work. And that's what's going on in China. There's 300 million of these people. They got a lot of money. A lot of money that could be put to work. And so what I'm trying to tell you, I don't know how long it's going to be. Like, I don't know how soon it's going to be. But I think China is about to unleash their middle class. Well, not their middle class, but their regular people, their whales and their middle class on the crypto market. It's going to be a limited unleashing. In other words, China will decide which ones are working and which ones are good, and they'll tell their people, you can have those ones. Right? And if other ones become good, they'll say, yes, you can have that one. But they're not just going to let them have, just anything. You're not going to be able to, a Chinese person isn't going to get, some hemp coin, some shit like that. Holy, all right. You see what I'm saying, guys? I mean, I know I'm harping on this China thing, but I really want you to get it. Like, China's the second largest economy in the world, and that's why it's so important. What I'm telling you right fucking now is so important, in that all that money is going to be unleashed into this market. And, well, bang! You're going to get rich. All right, so here we go. Or at least, have more money than you have now. Look, in a recent ad segment on its financial channel, China's state-run news network, CCTV2, recommended one of the most popular crypto books, Cryptoassets. See what I'm saying? They recommended it. When you watch CCTV in China, that's the government's channel. In other words, that's the Communist Party channel. They're telling you what to do. Do you get it? I mean, I know we live in a free country. We live in free societies. Like, I don't give a fuck what Hannity says or what, fucking, what Anderson Cooper says or something. We tell them to go fuck themselves. Yeah, but because they don't, represent the government. In China, the news channels represent the government. Like, so when the channel says something, yeah, that's what Xi Jinping is saying. That's what the Communist Party is telling you. I want you guys kind of to understand that, right? Like, it's a different world than what I'm assuming most of you who are watching this live in, right? Where we can go tell our politicians to go fuck themselves, go fuck off, you're an asshole, you're an idiot. Yeah, you're not allowed to do that there. You know what I mean? And so when they tell you, bang, 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 yeah, they mean that shit, motherfucker. You got to listen to that, right? Let's get hardcore. Let's get gangster with it. All right, let's get true. Do you see what I'm saying? That's how it works in China. But also it works in the other way. In that, say I do want to have crypto. I've wanted crypto for so long, but my government has restricted me. In other words, the Chinese government has restricted me. Now that I see this, I'm a whale. I'm a billion-dollar whale in China. Now that the official government, bang, CCTV2, not only has they said I could do it, but they actually recommended a book, recommended the book for me to read. Well, I know it's game on. Do you understand? That's what I want you guys to get at. Well, another thing I want you to understand. That's how it works over there in their governments. In China's government, right? So CCTV recommended one of the most popular crypto books. Recommended the crypto book. In other words, yeah, it's a recommendation. It's a one-party system. In other words, we're telling you, if you want crypto, read this fucking shit and invest wisely. Like, that's what they're saying. You got to understand how things work. Widely considered to be the definitive book on investment in crypto assets. The book written by Chris Burnisk offers, and this other guy offers readers a wide and deep dive into the what, why, and how of cryptocurrencies, and supplies them with the technical and financial know-how on how to approach investing in the unique market. You see what I'm saying? That's what China does, right? All our citizens, hey, if any of you are interested in crypto, bang, read this book. This is how you're going to do it. You see what I'm saying? We get crypto unleashed on us in here in America. Yeah, well, unless you don't, all right, that's not the way to say it. America allows, all right, that's not the way to say it either. But do you see what I'm saying? They are so careful. They want their people to know first before they let them invest. You know what I mean? All right. All right. Blah, blah, blah. So holding up the translation, the Chinese anchors told viewers that they had the opportunity to participate in one of the greatest investment opportunities in history. Bang. So look at that. The anchors of the show, remember, this is Chinese TV. This is the government TV. One-party state system TV. And they had their anchors hold up the book and tell viewers that they had the opportunity to participate. So, do you understand what I'm trying to get at, guys? Here comes fucking China. It's not official, so I'm not going to add it to the list. I mean, it is pretty much official. That was pretty much the official announcement. Should I? Look, all right, let's just wait a little while. But look, China told them, you have the opportunity that they had, the citizens of the country had the opportunity to participate in one of the greatest investment opportunities in history. That's the Chinese government, one-party system, telling their citizens, crypto is a go. Crypto is a go. Blah, 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 blah. All right, let's fuck all that shit. China has a distinct stance on cryptocurrencies, being innovative in many ways, but also imposing strict bans on ICOs and crypto use in commercial activities. Exactly. Fuck. Right? Like VeChain, they have 18 contracts with the Chinese government, VeChain. Neo has a bunch of shit with the Chinese government. Yeah, but the Chinese government is like, nah, the citizens aren't allowed to buy those. It's weird, man. But like I said, it's changing. Yeah, all right. So that's how it goes. So look, furthermore, anti-anonymity rules were recently introduced to enable orderly development. Obviously, they want to know who's doing what. Blah, 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 blah. All right. So, bang. That's China, guys. Now, I know I harped on that a lot, so let me hurry up with this one so I can get you out of here. Physically backed crypto futures for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. Look. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, commodities all around the world. All right. Now, what's going to make us the money, brothers? Bang. Physically settled Bitcoin futures. And this shit's real. Oh, this shit's real. So let's read this. So, CoinFLEX says it will roll out physically backed Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash futures in a matter of days. Look. This ain't coming down the pipe. This isn't a couple months from now, brothers. Bang. Matter of days. Here come the physically. Remember this? You know, guys, physically settled Bitcoin futures takes Bitcoins out of the market, creates scarcity, drives the price up. Here come the whales. That's how whales invest. They don't give a fuck about, they're not buying spot market. They buy OTC or futures. Let's get real. All right? And look. Because buying futures is sort of like buying spot in that you can buy a futures at a certain price, and that's the price you pay later. And it's sort of the same. Wait. Did I say spot? My bad. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Just cancel what I just said. What was I trying to tell you guys? Oh, buying futures is like buying OTC. Holy, did I say spot? OTC in that the spot market, the OTC market. Why am I keep saying that? OTC market, I get to tell, ask a miner, I'll buy your stuff at this price. Can I have it at that price? Well, that's what the futures is. We write the contract for that price. I have it at that price. Bang. So, but the difference is that the futures market drives our prices up. In the OTC market, it doesn't. They can buy 10,000 Bitcoins. Yeah, it doesn't drive the price of Bitcoin up at all. Not one penny. But in the futures market, it adds liquidity and it drives the prices up. All right. That's what I meant to say. I didn't mean to say that. What did I say? Spot market shit. So the Hong Kong-based company is a spin-off. All right. Anyway, who gives a fuck? Let me just show you what the fuck. Oh, hold on. Let me show you. CoinFLEX just launched its website to offer Asian clients. Yes, here we go. Up to 20 times leverage. Leverage, brothers. I keep telling you guys about leverage. Oh, it's still not like the OKX leverage, but look. On all three cryptocurrencies. For months, the crypto community has been clamoring for physically backed futures, which are paid out with the underlying cryptocurrency instead of cash. Exactly. You get paid on cash. Well, it doesn't help the market. You're just using the underlying price as a guide, but all right, it doesn't actually, delve into our market. In a recent interview with Bloomberg, CoinFLEX CEO Mark Lamb explains the importance of physically settled futures. So he says all this bullshit. We're not going to read all that. Blah, 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 blah. If you really want to listen to all that, listen to all that. Bottom line is, if it's not physically settled, it doesn't take Bitcoin out of the market. It doesn't create scarcity, which creates no money for us. Bang. What he's talking about there, I'll tell you right now, is that taking physical custody gives you assurance as the investor because you don't know what price these guys are looking at. It's all just technical financial stuff, man. Don't worry about that. Anyway, our money, we just care that, bang, it's physically taken out of the market. So, meanwhile, Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, owner of the New York Stock Exchange, is waiting on the Commodity Futures Trading Commission to approve the launch of its new crypto trading platform, Backed, which will deliver physically backed crypto futures in the U.S. There are more futures coming. More futures are coming. After missing 2 target launch dates, the company now says it will launch later this year. Pending regulatory approval, and calls the project its moonshot. Oh, that's it. All right. So, here we go, guys. So, what I care about, though, like the whole point I brought this shit up was physically backed futures in Asia. Now, why is that so important? Well, everyone who's flipping regulated from Asia. Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia. I mean, Jamaica's over here, but, right? We got 4 Asian countries fully regulated. That's going to unleash their whales. And now their whales are going to get an institutional grade product to trade. Juicy. Juicy. So, just buy your stuff, wait to get rich, brothers. Bang, look. I mean, that's what I'm just trying to say. Look. All right, guys, so you get it? That's the power. Physically backed crypto futures. And what did I tell you guys? Get your large caps. Because what kind of physically backed futures are these? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. Right? Those are going to be the first around the world. Like, the world is going to launch that first. Fuck. Just make your money off that shit. You can even sell some of that shit and just get that small cap shit later. Once all that's regulated. Look, I don't tell you what to do with your money. I don't tell you how to juggle your portfolio, but all right, brothers, let's get you lock. So, bang, there you go, brothers. All right, let's chill it and kill it. No, not yet. No, we're doing shout outs. Bang, Poppywood. Bang. I'm going to watch this thing. Wash trades. Exactly. Do you guys know about wash trades? I suggest you come here or go to DJ Poppywood and find out what wash trades are. Those are the shenanigans. Bang. All right. Crypto Bridgie. Bang. See you, girl. Yes. Who else we got? Oh, and she retweeted. Thank you. Come on, guys. Retweet. Do all this. Get it out there. The darkness. Yes. Bang. Oh, he said some shit today, too, though. Hold on. What did he say today? Let's look. He said some shit. What did he say? What? He said cryptocurrency income. Yes. Let me give you a little bit of the taste of the darkness. Look at all the crew. Hold on. I could just do the bang from here. I don't even have to. I don't even have to go to my Twitter thing. Van Brienen. Bang. What we got? Hurricane Master. Bang. DP Entertainment. Bang. Bob. Bang. Son of a bitch. Bang. Edwin. Bang. Poppywood. Bang. Yes, everyone's watching the darkness. Look. You better watch the darkness. You don't want it to sneak up on you. Look. What did he say today? Bitcoin income. Look. Settle down, Shmari. Cryptocurrency income is 100% taxable and traceable. Exactly, morons. Yeah, man, we're going to be free. We're going to be free from the government. Yeah, the only way to be free from the government, it's called cash. That's why you buy your weed from your weed dealer with cash, right? This will lay the groundwork for universal basic income. Interesting. The physical dollar will be replaced with the digital dollar, which will continue the federal Ponzi scheme. Well, it's not a Ponzi scheme, but yes, we are going to get. That's what I'm saying. He's got nuggets of truth, but if you're not wise in the economics, it'll scare you. We don't have a Ponzi fucking scheme. It's based on the GDP and of our citizens. But yes, the physical dollar, it will be replaced. Protect yourself before it's too late. Gold, silver, Bitcoin. Bang. All right. Can't complain with that. Yes, guys, I gave you a little bit of the darkness. I gave you a taste. That was just a taste. If you really want to get scared, bang, bang, bang. Just read all on down there. Yes. And the darkness will teach you. But it's true. But, some of the things, that's the thing, like Ponzi scheme. It's not a fucking Ponzi scheme. But shit could get real. Look, Poppywood, bang. What do we got? Crypto Times, bang. Yes, Bob. Bang. 844-1320. Go get your airdrop stuff. Bang. And get that. Son of a bitch. Did I already do him? But bang, bang, bang. Get him again. Yes, he deserves a double portion. A double portion of the son of a bitch. Look, Radster. Is that him? Bang. Yes, Radster. See you, brother. All right, what else we got? Oh, new subscriber. Bitcoin. All right. Para. Oh, he's got a new language. Let me try to say it. Para Kazamnaman and Koleyolu. Bang! Yes. Yes, that's how I get down. I talk like that. Lack. All right, that's enough. Let's get you back to your wives' lives. Yes, brothers. Yes, brothers. Bang. And then we go bang. Yes. So welcome. So, brothers, look. We had a good night tonight. Look. Tron, institutional investors. Bang. You are now in the institutional investor pipeline. Yes, brothers. Let's see how that goes. I really do want to see how Tron goes institutionally, because I have a lot of Tron, but I'm not going to lie. It's not one of the ones I think are going to make me my real, either ROR or ROI. Like I don't know if it's going to, right? So I'm delicate with it. You know what I mean? I just invest a little bit because, it's just a strange thing. It's a Tronverse. It doesn't help a corporation. It's its own thing, right? And so that's how I do Tron. And then the insurance, though, bang. Here come the 100 millionaires at least. Those hedge funds will be insured. Good to go. China promotes crypto. And here we go. Crypto futures take over Asia. Bang. We got Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, and Indonesia. We got their whales coming. It's only a matter of time, brothers. Only a matter of time. So that's it. Let's shill it and kill it. Bang. Subscribe below. Press the subscribe button. And the, whoops, what happened here? And the, what's that button there? A bell. And you're going to get automatic updates, automatic notifications. And that's it. I'll see you tomorrow, guys, or Tuesday. So, bang. Love you guys. This is my favorite time of the day. Bang. Shamari Clark. I'm always on duty. Over and out.